So for reading question 8.13, right, consider the following resonance structure for carbonate. What is our average charge on oxygen? So to figure out our average charge, we first need to assign a charge to oxygen. So oxygen is group 6. And to find our formal charge, right? Formal charge is simply our group number from the periodic table minus our assigned electrons, where for our assigned electrons, right, we count all of our non-bonding electrons and we count 1 electron for each bond. So oxygen, right, is over here. It's group 6. So for this oxygen down here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 non-bonding electrons. And then I've got 1 electron in this carbon-oxygen bond. So I've got 7 electrons assigned, 6 minus 7. It's not rocket science, right? We're going to have a -1 charge on this oxygen. We're going to have a -1 charge on this oxygen as well, because it also has 6 valence electrons and 1 bonding electron. And now for the oxygen on the top here, right, I'll color code this. I'll change the color. This is still group 6, but now when I take a look at this oxygen, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons, and then 2 electrons for each bond. So if I've got 4 electrons here, 2 more electrons here, 6 minus 6, right, this electron is neutral. So to find our average charge, right, we essentially have a total charge of -2, and we have that spread out over 3 separate oxygens. So -2/3, right, approximately -0.67 of a charge on each oxygen if we think about spreading it out over all the oxygens on this carbonate Lewis structure. For question 13.